Guys, you can see right. So we're going to big screen to soon. The frame. This is 60GB. So 8 times 2 font. So click on that. So click that. And it does like sites. Again. So it's gonna open things up. So and okay. Okay. Someone doesn't do site. Okay. It doesn't okay. I should try to get that thing. Oh, that doesn't. I think it's been crazy. Okay, that's right. That's correct. And let's go. So go get this client confidence. So look at that thing. And okay, right. Okay, like things like that, right? That's a plastic, and so that. And get together thing. So that's pretty cool. So thanks. Okay, click sync that. But I can see around that we got 2 gigs. Oh gosh. Well, I don't know. I'm still gonna get out thanks, alright. So things are alright. Some tank. But yeah, I can't get that next thing. Next thing. I think so. Alright. So thanks. Don't look so great. Right. Okay. And thanks for subscribe. Okay, should be thanks and confidence. Again, I can't should be writing Friday. So, yeah, guys. Think. That's right, create and subscribe and the next and see you next week.